welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our HEPM heavy duty press table up and down raising. So basically these are our heavy duty workshop presses, sliding head left and right. The 160 tonne and the 200 tonne have a very wide frame as well. But what we'll do now is basically show you how easy it is to actually raise the table up and down. So first of all, what we've done here, we've put on the connecting chain. So that chain there basically comes with every press. There's a ring there, so you connect that there. The inside of the actual frame here itself, as you can see, there's chains with a connecting hook. So we simply put that C-clip there, the chains onto there, and we're just going to sort of take the pressure off these pins so we can remove those and then raise the table up. So simply power the machine up, and we just need to sort of pull out these pins here. So we'll pull these pins out. I'll just raise it up a little bit. So we've taken those two pins out. This is at its bottom stage now, so this bottom pin just sits as an idler. Now the press itself has about 500 strokes, so I've got the chains linked in, and then basically bring that up. And as you can see there, the table is raising up. So we'll bring that up as high as we can go. And as I'm raising up, as you can see there, we've also fitted on these stainless steel guides. So as I come around here, and the stainless steel guides make the up and down sliding very easy. So we'll just bring that up, but it just shows you how easy it is to actually raise the table up and down on our HEPM series. Now while I'm here as well, that's basically the bed for the HEPM press. So there's two parts there. That's the flat table. You put that down, so you've got two blocks, or you reverse it round and you've got a heavy duty V block there as well. So bring that to the other position. That's there now. And then I can basically put in the pins. Hopefully this goes in easy. There's one just over here. Other one as well, and then you lower that down. Take that out, and there it is. So you've raised the table up to a height where you need to work it at. Undo your chains, put your blocks back down, and nice and easy. Assetplant.com.au, HEPM heavy duty presses.